Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another exciting video blog post. Today, we're going to talk about a scrumptious treat that you can make in just 30 seconds. A Nutella cookie for one. That's right. This single-serving cookie is perfect for when you're craving something sweet, but don't want to make a whole batch. So, let's dive right in and get cooking. First things first, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of Nutella, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of whisked egg, just the yolk works too, and a sprinkle of chocolate chips, optional, but highly recommended. 1. Prep your plate. Line a large microwave-safe plate with parchment paper. This keeps the cookie from sticking and allows it to spread evenly. 2. Mix the dough in a small bowl. Melt the butter, stir in Nutella, brown sugar, and the whisked egg until smooth. Add flour and mix until a sticky dough forms. Fold in chocolate chips if using. 3. Shape the cookie. Scrape the dough onto the center of your parchment-lined plate. Use a spatula to shape it into a thick, round cookie. 4. Microwave on high for 50 seconds. The cookie should look set but still soft in the center. It'll firm up as it cools. Avoid overcooking. 5. Cool and enjoy. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve warm with a glass of milk or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra indulgence. For another, pop it into the microwave for 30 seconds, and voila, you've got a delicious, warm, and gooey Nutella cookie for one. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling extra indulgent, you can top your cookie with a scoop of ice cream. Trust me, it's a match made in heaven. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy recipe for a Nutella cookie for one that you can whip up in just 30 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this post and that you'll give this recipe a try. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty treats and fun cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Comment if you tried this recipe. Thanks for watching. Till next time.
Thanks for watching.